The virtual Keypad app puts you in complete control of your security system. Never is this more true than when there is an alarm notification. When there's an alarm, the app automatically displays live video or recent clips from your home or business. Your system can have both interior and exterior cameras that you can view from your smartphone or mobile device. That lets you see what's going on and determine if it's a false alarm. But if you're not available to check the video yourself, you can have video verification sent directly to the central station where they can have access to pre- and post-alarm clips or live video to determine if authorities should be immediately dispatched. After the event, your video documentation will help in both investigating and prosecuting the perpetrator. Video verification is just one of the security and convenience features available through the virtual Keypad app. For more information about the app and its video capabilities, or for more information on getting video verification sent to your central station, ask your security professional today.